Hey everyone, welcome to AI Secrets Unlocked, the channel where we uncover the latest and greatest in artificial intelligence. I'm Aftab, and today we're starting with the basics. What is AI? Whether you're a complete beginner or just curious about how AI works, this video is for you. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is AI? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, and at its core, it's about teaching machines to think and learn like humans. But here's the thing: AI isn't just about robots taking over the world, it's already part of our daily lives. From the recommendations you see on Netflix to the voice assistant in your phone, AI is everywhere. Think of AI as a super smart assistant that can analyze data, recognize patterns, and even make decisions, all without human intervention. Now, not all AI is created equal. There are two main types: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is what we have today. It's designed to perform specific tasks, like recommending songs on Spotify or filtering spam emails. It's really good at what it does, but it can't do anything outside its programming. On the other hand, Gener AI or AGI is the stuff of science fiction. This is AI that can think, learn, and reason just like a human. We're not there yet, but researchers are working on it. So, how does AI actually work? At its core, AI relies on data and algorithms. Here's a simple breakdown: data. AI systems need tons of data to learn from. For example, an AI that recognizes cats needs thousands of cat pictures to understand what a cat looks like. Algorithms. These are the rules or instructions that tell the AI how to process the data. Think of them as recipes for solving problems. Training. The AI learns by analyzing the data and adjusting its algorithms to improve over time. Now, let's talk about how AI is already shaping our world. Here are a few examples. Voice assistants. Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant use AI to understand and respond to your voice. Recommendation systems. Netflix, YouTube, and Spotify use AI to suggest shows, videos, and songs you love. Self driving cars. Companies like Tesla are using AI to make driving safer and more efficient. AI is everywhere and is only getting smarter. And that's it. You now know the basics of AI. But this is just the beginning. There's so much more to explore. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more AI secrets. Let me know in the comments, what AI topic should I cover next? Should we dive into ChatGPT AI art or something else? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep unlocking those AI secrets.